welcome to another video of Spares and Repairs. I'm Gino, and today we have a 2001 Seat Ibiza in for an oil change and some other niggly bits. So let's get on with the video and crack on. Come on. This is the car in question, Seat Ibiza. It's got 97,000 miles on the clock. These are the parts I'll be using here today. So I've jacked the car up underneath the vehicle now, and I'll see the sump plug is there and the oil filter is up there, as you can see. I will get onto that later on, but in the meantime I'm just gonna I've cracked it off already, and now undoing it. Oil is draining now into the drainer. Now that's finished, putting in the drain plug back in, and then torque it up to the correct spec of 30 Newton meters. Now from the top of the vehicle, just doing the oil filter. As you can see, I've put my claw on it, as a cup when putting it on just slipped off and wouldn't take it off. Also, what I've done is I've disconnected the battery here because the alternator is so close to it, and sometimes when you're fiddling about trying to take this off, the alternator sparks here and might blow a fuse. So just as a precaution, just disconnected the battery. So let's go ahead and take off this oil filter. Very tight. And there, just like that, the oil filter is out. Now put the oil filter, new one, on in the reverse order, and as well put some engine oil around the film or seal of the new oil filter before putting it in. As you can see here, it's all in, hand tight, and torqued up to 20 Newton meters. Now we're going to replace the front indicator bulbs on it. As you can see, they're a bit flaking away, the orange or amber lens on both these headlamps. So I'm going to replace the indicator bulbs now. So I've just undone the plug for the indicator bulb, and then I'm going to twist clockwise like that. The bulb should come out. Now to take the bulb out of the holder itself, it's just a push in and twist and pops out. The new one goes in, push down, twist. That simple. And then put it back in the reverse order, and the other side is the same as what I've showed you. Now I'm going to replace the battery on this vehicle. So I'm just going to remove the positive, as it's already done because I was doing the oil filter. So there's a 10mm nut that holds this fuse board to the positive cable, so that's removed, and the bracket should all come off with the negative. Again, the 10mm for the negative there, and then there's a 13mm bracket holding the battery on. So once that's removed, then the battery would come out, and then put the new one in reverse order. I've half stripped it now anyway, but customer complained of she can't access her car with the key. The central locking doesn't work, but when she operates the key left and right, the actuator or lock does not work, and she can't get into her car. To get into her car, she has to get in through the boot to open up her car. So I'm just going to strip the door and see what is going on. So to do that, there's a little 5mm Allen key here which I've taken off already, and then thinking that I was able to just take the lock out with the handle, that doesn't seem to be the case. So I'm going to take off the door card, and there's a trim here and here, and unclip the window switches, and then there's Phillips screws here, as you can see, one there, one there, and then the door card should come off. And there is the problem. As you can see, the oar that goes into the lock is broken, so let's go ahead and get that fixed. As you can see, this is the new oar, and these are the other little bits of the lock set. And as you can see, the bracket that holds it in place you can see the hold is missing, so let's get on and fix it. And just like that, the new one is all fitted. A lot of great difficulty and persuasion, but finally it is in, ready to go back on the car. And just like that, car's all done, oil change is done, new battery fitted. I replaced front and rear wiper blades on it, as you can see there, that's the front ones. Levels topped up, all the levels are good. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Come on.